Hi everybody, it's Miss Lee. Today I'm joined by one of our Bobcat Pride ticket students.
Hi, my name is Safaa, and I'm in 5th grade Miss LaPointe's class, and my favorite color is blue.
Alright, are you ready to get started, Safaa?
Ready.
And we are going to be drawing a tree today that we will paint with our watercolors. We will be adding watercolors to our paint studio. So, we're starting with pencil. And Safaa's going to follow along. Safaa, if you have any questions during our demonstration, you can just ask it. Because if you have a question, some of the other students probably have the same question. We are going to start by drawing a tree trunk. So from the bottom of our paper, we're going to draw a curved line like that. And then we're going to draw another curved line like that. So that's two sides of our tree trunk. And our tree is actually going to branch off of the paper. So we're going to create like a Y, like that. And then I'm going to draw another line inside like that. So it looks like a shape of a Y. But now we're going to continue to branch off from there. So now I'm going to draw Y's from there. And from there, and then I'm going to make those into shapes too. To make that into a shape. Same here. And then I'm just going to make another two diagonal lines going out. And then yours is going off the page, so I'm going to copy you and do that too, okay? Then I'm going to make these two into two diagonal lines going away from each other. All right, you got the hang of it. So you can see how it's starting to branch off. Now, they're starting to come together too, right, Safaa? So when they come together, sometimes they might overlap, which is okay. So if I was to take this and like branch it off like that, and then this one kind of branches off like that, it's okay to connect the lines like that. Okay, so it's going to be kind of organic. Organic means kind of natural. Yes. Okay, now we have this big thing in the middle. We could leave it like that, but I'm actually going to draw another branch coming out from here. Good. Now let's start working on these branches up here that we haven't finished off yet. So again, I'm just going to draw like the Y shape, and it can go right off the paper if you wanted it to. And then I'm going to draw lines on the other side to create a shape. And there's a big space here, so I can even add more branches in there. I'll just draw two lines to make another branch. Gotta make that into a shape. Otherwise, if I don't close that up, it looks like the tree branch suddenly got really big right there, and that won't make sense. So I have to draw the other sides of those branches. All right, now we have all this empty bottom spot area, so we want to add maybe some more details in the background. So I'm going to add some hills. So I'm just going to draw some curvy lines. So up here we have a lot of straight lines, so maybe we can add some contrast by making some curvy lines. All right, now we have some black crayons. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to color in our tree with our black crayon. And for this part, Safaa and I are going to fast forward the video. All right, now that we've colored in our tree and traced up our lines, we are going to paint our tree picture. Now, we're going to think about the color wheel, and you can see it. Put a picture of the color wheel there. Now, one side of our color wheel is warm colors, and the other side is cool colors. So we are going to paint the spaces between our branches either warm colors, red, yellow, and orange, or cool colors, blue, green, and purple. And then we'll do the reverse for the bottom. Are you ready, Safaa?
Yes.
All right, here we go. As you can tell, this artwork has lots of elements of art. We thought about line, color, and also space. Space is the feeling of distance in an artwork. Space is also how an artist uses the area within a picture. All of those empty spaces between the tree branches is called the negative space. The positive space is the tree itself. All right, Safaa and I have finished our warm, cool tree paintings. Safaa, what do you like about your artwork?
I like how it kind of looks like stained glass and how it's like a ombre.
Yeah.
And how everything just blends in together.
I like that too. I like what you did here. Look at how those cool colors are blending into each other. It looks like a landscape back there. Beautiful. I like how mine has a variety of cool colors up there and then a very kind of sunset picture in the bottom. Well, thanks for joining me today, Safaa. You did a great job.
Thank you.